Babe, do not lie to me right now.
I didn't even say anything yet.
What is this?
A brush.
A brush? I know it's a brush, babe. Whose is it?
It's your brush.
That's not mine. My hair is blonde. That's black hair.
Number one, babe, this is blonde hair. And number two, ain't no one else in the world got damaged hair like this. This is yours.
Are you serious right now?
Yes.
I don't even use cheap brushes like that.
Oh, you don't use cheap brushes, babe?
No, I don't.
Says the girl that orders all of her clothes from Shein. What are you even trying to say, huh? That I'm cheating on you? Are you trying to say that?
I don't know. Whose is that?
Baby, I'm with you every single second of every freaking day, okay? I wake up with you next to me. I go to sleep next to you. I go to the bathroom. Sometimes you want to intrude while I'm taking a shit. You want to sit right next to me and go, baby, I miss you. I don't want to get away from you. Then, huh? You think I'm cheating? When? When do I have time to cheat? The only female that comes into this house is your mom and my mom, and that's it. I am not cheating on you. Just give a damn brush. Play too much.